Alright, it's about 6:30, Christmas Eve. I'm sending out the force, the weatherman, Shane, to get the mail and to get the neighbor's mail. We do have a blizzard warning. If you look out the window, you can see it's blowing out there. Elsie and I. Say hi, Elsie. We wish you luck, Daddy. Here's the camera.
Okay, we're gonna go outside. Come on, doggies, let's go.
Oh boy. They're not gonna do well. Holy cow, look at the doors.
Okay, so there's a lot of look. Holy cow, I can't even see. There's a lot of snow, and you probably can't even see anything because it's so crazy out here. This is a blizzard-like conditions. I'll go over here. Maybe you can see. Poor camera can't even focus. There you go. Hopefully don't ruin our fancy camera. Goodness, I can't even see. This is crazy out here. You guys see? Oh man, I can't even see. This is horrible out here. I can't even see the road. This is crazy. You see there's a car way up there. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the mail. Well, if I can open it. There we go. Oh, we didn't hardly get anything. There's our house, way over there. And let's see if I can wipe the lens off real quick. Well, the lens is all mucked up because it's so wet. There's our house there. And there's probably, I don't know, there's probably a couple feet of snow. I can't even hardly see. It is really blowing out here. We're talking mundo blowing, dude. Trying to keep cleaning the lens, but it's not doing it very good. Probably gonna run our fancy camera too. Oh, this is covered. Got the. Oh, did you guys see that? That was thunder. Did you guys just hear that? That's what you call thunder. I'm gonna fall down. This is crazy. This is what you call thunder in a snowstorm, in a blizzard. You guys hear that? Okay. Make a venture back to the door here. Get inside. This is insane. This is me signing off. See you later.
You almost fell down.
Where's the stop button at?
Over the. Just hit that again. Where's it?